Pressure.
Many of your fellow inmates you signed up as well.
We're inmates, by the way. That.
Wow, what crime did they do?
Why is this person so skinny? Their legs are so skinny, but their arms are so. I can see that she's right there with her smirk. No wonder she got in jail.
Puro pala mga bata yun na server.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, I'm beautiful.
Wait, let me read this. 3% 1 to 2 expeditions. Right here, we follow this.
Oh, you still walk stylish.
Leave my
Even
stylish
when I-
alone. Where the hell is 1 to 2? Right here, that you walk so slow. Status. Here we go, guys. Pressure. A game you guys have been requesting for over and over again. Today, it is time for us to play. It is time for us to play it with that submarine.
Yes, we don't know. We're walking in blind. But I'm walking in blind. I don't know how.
I don't know. I haven't played it much.
Really?
I haven't played it fully, bro.
Oh gosh, none of us knows anything. Sorry.
She probably doesn't know anything too, bro.
She said she want to try, but she want to try first. You know she knows something.
She's too busy grinding on Dandy's World, you know. She's too busy saving up for the new. Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Alright. Oh.
What do we do here?
So first, you go take this because it's money.
What do you do? Oh.
You go take that.
What?
Oh, I think I took it.
You suck.
Come here.
What is this?
It's a locker.
$25.
What the fuck? We have to go here.
What?
Wait, let me check these. Oh my god!
Oh! Oh! Atiok! Are you okay?
Yo, you need to see me!
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Atiok! You need to go in!
Atiok!
Get your asshole! I'm on 30.
Oh my god!
I didn't see his ass!
Oh, that's why there's purple shits right
Yeah.
there. I thought that was something special, like a crystal ball or something.
I was gonna try to check out because I want to show you how the lockers work. Anyways, you need to crouch to get the key card.
30%. Can you heal?
I don't know if I can, bro. How do I heal? I'm 30, I'm gonna die. So, basically for this one, you need to hear if there's breathing there and the glowing
How do you
thing.
do this? Oh.
She's hiding. Okay.
Oh.
Hold it, dead.
Oh.
That was dumb. I thought the key card wasn't working.
Open this up. Open it up. Oh, money.
Money.
You freaking stole it! I literally found that.
There's another money here. Oh, I think I took it.
Really?
There's money there. There's not one there.
What the?
How
This
is?
is so difficult. What?
Oh, wait, the door opened.
Oh
because
my gosh!
What?
It won't let me get money.
Oh, there's another one that. There's another one right here.
Oh, I don't get that.
Oh, what was that? Okay, we're moving on to the next. What are you?
What's that?
What's the door? The door. Money.
Can't get the last door.
What are you doing? I'm hiding.
That's so loud. What is that?
That was the door. It like opens up aggressively. That's why I hate it. Hey.
Okay, nothing here.
What is that? Oh, flash beacon. I have it. Yo, it's a flashlight. God damn. I have 20 of that. I don't know. Money that. You don't want the money? We're walking very slowly. It's probably Sebastian. Staying near a locker. Where the hell is this girl?
I'm right here.
Where's a key? I'm pretty sure we need a key card. Pizza? Have you found a pizza?
Get. That scares me so much. What? Oh my god.
I'm scared.
Okay, let's go, bro. Let's go. Come on. I'm crouching.
Battery? Ooh, battery. I got battery. There's money.
Money. Wait. Oh, let's get out, bro.
Money. God. I don't want to go in. What the fuck is that? Yo, it's a whole ass floor. I'm not doing this.
Yeah, bye.
Dad, come here. Come back, bro.
We need siren.
What the fuck are you walking?
That's why you should join us now.
What you want?
I'm going.
Dad. Yo.
So bad.
Let's just go. You suck.
Fine, whatever.
What the fuck?
Up there. Oh. You go. What the hell is that?
What?
Oh, nothing. That was just a light. Where'd you hide?
I'm scared.
Where'd you hide? You made me panic.
Yo, what is that in the locker?
What do you mean?
The locker next to me. Yo, what the fuck is that?
That's me, stupid ass. That's me, bro. Wait, which way do we go?
There was 7-1. This one is locked. My stomach is dropping, bro. Where the hell are you? Get out! He's literally laughing at him.
Okay.
You go first this time. the division, every lung has its iron. It's dark as Satan's balls, bro.
I'm not going out first.
I'm not going out first. What? I have a flashbang though.
Try. What if it goes back?
Oh, you're making me scared.
We should just save and quit, you know. We should just.
We can't save and quit.
No, we should just save and quit. I'm not walking in the dark.
Come with me. I have a flashbang with me. I think it's gone.
Are you sure?
Oh.
What? It was ringing.
It was my flashbang. You suck. There's no locker that. There is. I'm going.
I'm gonna sleep. I don't want to play this game. The best I can do is freaking Dandy's World.
Where the fuck is Sebastian, dog?
Who the hell is Sebastian for the last time?
Dada, where are you?
Hiding
Where?
in a locker.
What locker?
The one we were just in.
Come on, let's go. There's no more monsters, bro.
No.
Bro,
You should clear it.
I did. Let's go. Here. Oh, it's the wrong one. I wanted to.
Whoa! It's bringing me.
What? It was the wrong one.
Whoa, what? Can we go there?
Lover. Where the fuck are you? Wait, we need a 10 second countdown before we go back in.
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2. Oh my God.
$35.
I took it.
Oh, what is this for?
That's nothing. You did.
You literally got it.
Oh. What the hell is that? What the fuck did I just got?
I don't know.
What the hell? I think I got a lighter.
For what exactly?
It's gonna burn. Oh hell no! What the fuck?
Why is it dark in there? No! I'm not going there! I'm not going, bro!
I can see the shred of Satan's fucking dick. I'm not. Shut the fuck up right now.
I'm ready like a diamond!
I'm gonna open one of our freaking closets or something. What the hell is that? Yo, my butt cheeks are clenched right now.
My toes are
10
I'm
seconds.
not,
10
there's literally
seconds.
something moving outside. I didn't know.
10 seconds and then
I'm not going
1,
out.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Not going. I'm not
10.
I can't proceed, bro. I can't.
Sebastian, where are you? Sebastian Solis, we need you right now, whoever you are, dog.
again. Sorry, Ina.
Join, please. Dead.
Okay. 10, 9, 7, 5, 4.
There's nothing. That just sounded.
2, 1. I'm staying still. I'm staying still. Why you look like you're shooting someone?
It's just straight up. It's just straight. The door is just straight, bro. Oh my god.
Are we gonna get chased when we enter that door?
Don't believe a word she says. That. It's just straight, dude.
I don't know. Is there any closet?
I don't know. It's a pretty big room, bro.
Yeah,
I'm running out with my flashbang. Get out. Get you out. If we survive that Laffy Taffy, dude, we can survive this, bro.
wait, what do you mean? We can respawn.
We can respawn too, bro.
I'm not going there.
Do you want to play doors instead?
I don't know what the hell.
It's just pressure button.
Let's open something.
It's open. She opened freaking
I'm
Roger.
leaving this game.
No, that's it. Hey, you come out of that closet right now. Here we go. Hey, I went in first last time. You going first.
You have the flashbang.
Squirrel my mama. Open the goddamn door.
Open the door, ho! Flashbang! Closet!
What the hell, man? Closet!
Like a combo. That's
Yo.
Why am I moving by myself?
Get back in the closet.
Why?
Shut the fuck up and get back in the closet, Dad.
Damn it! I did it again! I did! You need to calm down first. What? Shut your bitch ass up! I'm calm. I am calm. Okay.
Okay, I'm calm. I'm calm. I am calm. I'm in peace. I'm alright.
Why is my heart beating?
I think it means we need to get out. There. I'm at peace with that. Where the fuck do we...
What do you mean? How do you sustain that?
It's our sanity, that it means we need to get out of the closet. Like a gay man. That's nothing. That's just...
You never know. We never played this game. Okay? We don't know that.
We've got that sound effect for 5 fucking times!
Proness, okay? We don't have the proness like we do in Dandy's World, okay? Okay, let's go.
What the fuck is that?
What the fuck?
What?
I just heard something. Let that take me! Hey!
Oh my god!
I'm going down!
Oh my god! Why would you go there?
I didn't get to see the thing! It's an upstairs. Oh, hang on. Dude, look! Look! Just look right now. Just look.
What the fuck?
Yo, how are we gonna get there?
What is that?
Ready?
Yo.
How are we going there? Did you get anything from the cabinets? How the? No, I'm not doing that.
I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that either. I think there was a stairs. I saw a stairs.
Where?
Like up there.
What?
I only have 5 flashbangs, bro.
What if we just use the blue?
Oh, I found it! I found soda. Where the hell are you?
Where are you?
Yo, what the hell is this girl?
I think.
Hey, bro.
Oh my god.
It's right there.
What the fuck?
Shut the fuck up, Sebastian! You didn't go and save me. Good people. Ew, they look ugly. What is this? What are the good people, man? This awesome. Yo, they look like a horse. Notice the side of it real.
What happened to you, bro?
I opened the goddamn door. I thought it was an actual door, and it was a fake one. One way to figure out which door it's behind is way to go up next to it and listen for breathing, growling, and other sounds that make Z96 makes.
Why didn't you say this before? Right? Maybe we wouldn't survive.
I was saying.
I see the recording. It's gonna be so fun.
That was no ordinary door. Pay attention next time.
There was no ordinary door.
What the fuck?
That's what killed you?
Yeah.
That's a dragon. What?
It's a whole ass.
No, that's like a bug thing. Ew.
We opened some doors. Pay the ferryman. We're gonna flake Kronos.